Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult. Replace a kitchen sink. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Replacing a kitchen sink can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and guidance, you can successfully complete this project. This guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to replace a kitchen sink, whether you are upgrading to a new sink or need to replace a damaged one. By following these instructions carefully, you can save money on hiring a professional and take pride in completing the project yourself. Materials needed: new kitchen sink, faucet, sink strainer, plumber's putty, adjustable wrench, screwdriver, pliers, bucket, silicone sealant, safety glasses, gloves, towels, plumber's tape. Step 1. Prepare the work area. Turn off the water supply to the sink by closing the hot and cold water valves. Under the sink, place a bucket under the pipes to catch any remaining water. Disconnect the plumbing connections under the sink by using an adjustable wrench and pliers. Step 2. Remove the old sink. Loosen the clips or screws that secure the sink to the countertop. Carefully lift the old sink out of the countertop and remove it from the area. Scrape away any old plumber's putty or silicone sealant from the countertop. Step 3. Install the new sink. Place the new sink into the countertop cutout and ensure it fits securely. Apply a bead of plumber's putty around the edge of the sink's opening to create a watertight seal. Insert the sink strainer into the sink's drain opening and tighten it from below with a wrench. Install the faucet according to the manufacturer's instructions. Connect the plumbing lines to the new sink using plumber's tape to create a secure seal. Step 4. Secure the sink. Secure the sink to the countertop using clips or screws provided with the sink. Wipe away any excess plumber's putty or silicone sealant from around the sink. Step 5. Reconnect the plumbing. Reconnect the plumbing lines under the sink, ensuring they are securely tightened. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. Tighten any connections if necessary. Step 6. Apply silicone sealant. Apply a bead of silicone sealant around the edge of the sink where it meets the countertop. Smooth out the sealant with your finger or a caulk tool for a clean finish. Step 7. Clean up. Wipe down the sink and countertop to remove any debris or excess sealant. Dispose of any old materials properly. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your kitchen sink. By following these steps, you have saved money on hiring a professional and gained valuable experience in DIY home improvement projects. Enjoy your new sink and the satisfaction of a job well done. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on replace a kitchen sink. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality, but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.